It's at Sendle, Sendle.com, and they do shipping around Australia. And right now, of course, in Australia, most people, there are some are using FBA, but most people are using FBM, fulfilled by merchant. And if you're doing fulfilled by merchant, you've got two options. So you can either have all your products in your garage or your spare room, and as you get orders on Amazon, you schlep off to the post office or have the courier come and pick them up from your home, and you send them out that way. So you can do that, or you can use a company like PickPack, for instance, which is probably my preferred option. PickPack. I should get the guy from PickPack on a call actually, so you guys can meet him. And then this is a third-party logistics company, and they will do all of that for you. So they will store the goods at their warehouse as you get orders. They will get sent directly to PickPack, who will then do the fulfillment and send your product out to your customers. And they have got extremely good pricing for this. So they do price plans. Oh, they haven't got it up there anymore. That's a shame. Where it starts at like $50 a month, something like that, is their cheapest one from memory, plus whatever your postage costs are, of course. But it's extremely good value. So you've got a couple of different options. So if you're wanting to do the I want to send it out myself and have all my stuff at my house option, then Sendle could work for you, no dramas at all. And there's definitely, I can't see a downside to using them because it works very, very well for FBM. If anybody's got any experience with them, so Mark says, you're welcome, Addy, by the way. Mark says Sendle are fantastic. They don't deliver to all suburbs, which is one of the downsides, but they will deliver to the majority of them. All right, so that's good. Thanks for that, Mark. All right, so I can't see any downsides to that. As always with any business, they will get it wrong every now and again, and when they get it wrong, unfortunately your customers get a shithouse experience. That's just the way it happens. You'll have shitty experiences too with Australia Post. You have some shitty experiences with PickPack as well. It's inevitable that every now and again they'll get things wrong because it's humans who are fallible behind all these businesses, of course. But Maureen, I can't see any dramas with it, so unless you've got something else, I would say go for it. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.